I have a subtraction problem here. 511 minus 208. So I'm going to look at a couple ways that I can help solve this problem. So if I use sticker notation, I have my 500 11, and I need to take away 208. So right away I notice that there's 8 in the ones place, and I don't have enough when I look over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to borrow from my neighbor over here. So I'm going to borrow from my neighbor and move it over to my one spot. So this is worth 10 ones. So I'm going to draw in my 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now I have enough to take that 8 away. So now I can cross off 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That leaves me with 3 ones. So then I look at my next place, which is 0. I need to take away 208. So I've taken away the 8. I move to my next place value in my 10 spot, and in my 10s there's 0. And so right now there's 0 here, and I'm taking 0 away, so that 0 just gets to hang out and stay. Then I move over to my next place value in the hundreds. It says that I need to take away 2 hundreds. So I need to take away 2 hundreds. That leaves me with 3 hundreds. So I put that here. So my answer is going to be 303. The other way of looking at this is that I have 1 minus 8, 10 minus 0, and 500 minus 200. But once again, I can't do this, so I need to borrow this and make this 11 because I moved him into the next door. So now 11 minus 8 would be 3, and 0 minus 0 would be 0, and 500 minus 200 would be 300. So 300 plus 0 plus 3 gives me 303. Another way I can solve this is using a jump strategy. Now with the jump strategy, I do it a little bit different. I start with my small number that I'm taking away, and I want to work up to my big number that I started with. And I want to find out how many numbers are in between here. So I'm going to make it easy on myself, and I'm going to say I'm at 208. I know that if I added 2, that would put me at 210. That's an easier number to work with. Well, I know that I've got to work up bigger numbers here. So 210, if I add 90, that puts me at 300. So I used 90 there. And then I know that I can go all the way 300, 400, 500. That's 200. And that gets me to 500. And then from 500 to 511, I know that that's only 11. So now I take the numbers that I've used up here and I add them all up. So I have 200 plus 90 is 290. And then from 290, I'm going to add my 11. So 290 plus 11, that puts me at 300 plus 1 more is 301. And then I'm going to come over here and add my plus 2. So 301 plus 2 more is my 303. So in all 3 strategies, my answer is exactly the same. And that's what we want. So my answer to this is 303, and I have 3 strategies that I can use to help me solve it.